What's up, everybody? This is AJ from Straight from the Tap here. I am finally able to appropriately celebrate the win of the Eagles in Super Bowl 52. And what better way to celebrate a Super Bowl win than shotgunning a beer? You know? Of course, it's good beer. It's not, boring domestic beer, but it's good beer. So, without further ado, here we go. Ready? Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory. Fight, Eagles, fight, scoring touchdowns 1, 2, 3. Hit 'em low, hit 'em high, and we'll watch our Eagles fly. Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! Philly, Philly, dilly, dilly. Now I think I'm going to go climb a lamppost. Cheers, friends.